Nehemiah, upon hearing of Jerusalem's desolation, was filled with deep sorrow. He knelt before God, offering a heartfelt prayer for Jerusalem. His eyes brimmed with tears, expressing his love for the city and his earnest plea for God's guidance. Nehemiah receives the king's permission to travel to Jerusalem. Holding the royal letter, he shows gratitude and determination. His expression reflects his commitment and the sense of mission ahead. Arriving in Jerusalem at night, Nehemiah surveys the ruined city walls. Gazing upon the destruction, he deeply senses the need for restoration and strengthens his resolve to rebuild. Nehemiah encourages the people to join in rebuilding the walls. With united hearts, they pick up tools and start the work. Hope and a sense of unity fill their expressions as they begin the task. Sanballat and Tobiah mock and try to hinder the rebuilding of the walls. However, Nehemiah and the people remain undeterred, focusing steadfastly on their work. The people hold weapons in one hand and tools in the other, continuing to rebuild the walls while defending themselves. Nehemiah leads them, showing resilience and courage in their unified stance. Finally, the wall is completed, and the people, filled with joy, offer a thanksgiving worship to God. Standing before the rebuilt wall, Nehemiah and the people praise, overwhelmed by the joy of restoration and God's grace. Ezra reads the law before the people, and they are deeply moved by God's word. Many weep, repenting and returning to God with contrite hearts, marking a powerful moment of faith. Nehemiah and the people renew their covenant with God, pledging commitment. They raise their hands together, vowing to follow God's will and dedicating themselves to his path. In front of the rebuilt walls, the people hold a joyous festival, offering thanksgiving worship to God. With singing and dancing, their faces shine with gratitude and joy, celebrating unity and faith.